Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to teach you how to add your bank details to an invoice using Zoho Books. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to zoho.com-books. Once you're on the home page, click Sign In at the top right corner. Enter your email and password or sign in with your Google account, whichever you prefer. After logging in, you will land on your Zoho Books dashboard. On the right upper sidebar, click on Settings. This is your control center for customizing Zoho Books. Inside Settings, click on PDF Templates. This is where you can customize how your invoices look. You will see a variety of invoices styles. Scroll through and choose the one that best fits your brand. Once you find a design you like, click Use This to apply it. Now, let's add your bank details information to the invoice. Click Invoices, then click Edit. Within your selected template, look for the Other Details section. This is where you can add custom info. Click on Add Your Bank Details and you will see a field where you can enter your bank account name, account number, bank name, and any other payment details. Double check everything to make sure the information is accurate. Click Preview. And once you've added your bank details, click Save, and that's it. Your invoice template will now include your bank information, making it easier for clients to pay you via bank transfer. And you're done. You have now successfully added your bank details to your invoices in Zoho Books, a small change that can make a big difference when it comes to getting paid on time. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.